Welcome back. This is Gabrielle here. We are making chicken pot pie. So we're going to start off by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we want to go ahead and cut up our carrots. And slice up some onions. Go ahead and cook those for about 5 minutes. I always like to clean up as I go. Keeps the kitchen nice and clean. Now it's time to add in your veggies. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of garlic, minced garlic. And I'm going to add in some medley. You can add in whatever vegetables you love. Throw in some mushrooms, about 2 cups of those. And I love lima beans, so we are putting about a half a bag of lima beans. Don't forget, clean up as you go. Stir it up in the pot. And let that cook another 5 minutes or so. And then we're going to add in our seasoning. While we're doing this part, go ahead and preheat your oven at 400. Add in a little salt and pepper to taste, and a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and about a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir it up. Now we want to add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. One cup of vegetable broth. Two cups of almond milk. And 2 cups of broccoli. I like to put my seasoning back as I'm done using it. Here's some chicken I got from my local grocery store. We're going to go and cut it up. Get your pie crust out. We're going to take 1 egg and beat it in a bowl. A little trick with the pie Peace